Hey, Kirk and Ryan. So here we are just at VeriForm here and on our Lindsay location here. So 20 Lindsay Road here in Cambridge. So if we go to, I want to show you the paint booth and the steam cleaning area just after 3 o'clock. Everybody's, most of the staff have gone home. Just our shipping departments and are here. And I'm going to take you down and show you. So I have 2 bays. So this bay is number 2. This was built in 2006 or 2007, and in this bay we do all our welding. And for example, here you'll see we're welding trailer frames. You see these trailer frames here on our special fancy welding tables, and here's the frames themselves as part of the process. So here are the 2 rolls that we did the work for you, and here's our CNC machining center. And in this area you can see the paint booth parts already here. I should turn the lights on over here, but you can still see without the lights on here in this area. But here's our paint steam cleaning area. So we use a 200 amp steam generation system here. And this system here creates 300 degrees of steam cleaning power with phosphate. And then after the parts are cleaned, we have 3 hours to take them down here to our paint booth. Here is the paint booth. We do parts as long as 20 foot for Hitachi. So we do put the part in. It's got over about 12 to 14 feet of depth in there. And if it's too long, we just do the other end. Here's the paint mixing area here. And then here's our what we call the paint kitchen in here. That's the structure that's right here. All right, so yes, we can definitely paint for you if you want to do that. And here, just to show you, these parts here are what's called a cherry red. I know they're orange, but we're not allowed to call them orange. Apparently in Hitachi, in the Japanese language, orange is a bad word. So it's called cherry red. I think I may have told that to you in your last time here. But these parts are all painted. And we have a fantastic record with Hitachi. If you ask them who their top vendor is for painting, they would definitely say Caliber and VeriForm. All right, so again, we can do your painting here and be happy to do that, the handrails and so on. Thanks.